What's up, y'all? Alright, so I'm gonna try to mount this camera onto my helmet like that. This will probably hang down about right there, so I wanna loosen this so I can shift it backward a little bit. Maybe like a flathead or something like that. You get a flathead. That's good. Nah. Wrong tool. Saw that. That's one too. So, I wonder if that one. Oh yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna leave that loose for now. Alright. Next step. We need a case. We need a case for this to sit in. So I know I got one. So it's gonna be upside down like that. I'm gonna make sure the writing is up and down. Orientation, good. Oh, we don't want it to turn on. We don't want it to turn on. Turn down for what? So now. Alright, now we need something, a screw. We need a screw. Good screw. Probably that one. I don't know. We gonna figure it out though. Now we need a red. We need the. Will this work? Will that work? I think so. Now we need a clip. We need one of the clips. Yeah, got one. Alright, will that go through there? Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Alright, we don't need no more of this. Alright, so is that the best one? Probably need another one. Just because it's curved, it's concave. So I want this to go on there. I want that to go on there. Come on now. Oh, it ain't matching. Oh, that'll just be a little forceful. There we go. Oh man, it ain't working. Alright, so I'm gonna pop that out. Let's see. Uh-oh. Is that working? Is that gonna be rattle? It's probably gonna rattle. See, that's not right. Let's try a different way. You gotta bear with me. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna do something. Because I'm gonna put this camera on this helmet. Let's see, I put it in there. Then put that on there. Then screw it in. You think that'll work, y'all? Is that working? That's working. It worked. It worked, son. It worked. Yeah, we in there. Alright, so I can still adjust the angle and it's still stiff enough to where it won't. You know what I'm saying? It won't shake back and forth. Yo, this camera come on super easy. super easy. Let's take that off for a second. Oops, I just threw it. That's a good test though. Now we gotta put that on there like that. And yeah, it's kind of concave type. It's kind of concave. So I'm gonna add, it's like a cushion. Just gonna add more surface for it to grab up in there. All right, so let me take this off. Ooh. Then let me take this off and place this one back here. Y'all, if I'm doing it wrong, let me know because I ain't never done it before. So I want to add it like a screw, but I don't want to put a hole through my helmet just yet. But I probably most likely will because it's only a helmet. So I'm gonna center it, put it right at the front, and man, I don't know if that's gonna hold. Is that centered? That centered, son? I hope so. But we about to compress. Ooh. Is that secure? It's only holding a little camera. Don't worry about my hands. I'm looking at them now. I'm thinking y'all probably thinking about my hands, but don't look. Well, look at my hands, but don't worry about them. All right, hey yo, I think that's good. Let me. Yeah, just make sure it's on there. Just make sure it's on there. You don't want to lose your new camera you just bought for your helmet, so you get your footage, cause you gotta get the footage. So. Oh yeah, that's pulling at the helmet. You see how good that is? Okay. That should be able to hold there because I was pulling with way more force than what this weighs. Alright, so and then that's clamp it in. Oh snap! You know what I'm saying? But I want that back. I need my field of view. And then we go still. Okay, yeah, straight forward. Get the footage. Yeah, get the footage. Okay. All right, so that's it. Quick and easy install of action camera on your motorbike helmet or your motorcycle helmet to your sun visor. Thanks for watching. Shit, if I did something wrong, let me know. If you liked it and it was simple and easy for you, hit a like in the comments. Maybe subscribe, I don't know, stick around, get to know your boy, and see some of the stuff that I do. Yeah, got it.